Onyanga Juang.
Ero kamana nya Millicent Ramogi mano wach mar lel mar chiro mar aero mabende koro jo chiro yuak kara jo uso yuak ni kara tend county okoserito chiro no makare gi mabende koro ketho ne gi lwasi makare mar timo ohala. Kawadhi nyime ni moko kuom jotelo koro dwaro mondo jatend piny William Ruto to akodo gae mar Azimio Raila Odinga mondo res midhiero mosebede pacho kaka yorno mar konyo dongruok mar jopiny mabende osethir kaluwore gi tulo mag ng'anyo. Kotenegi kod Jodolo David Munyiri Sagana mar Federation of Evangelical and Indigenous Christian Churches of Kenya, jotelo go wacho ni ochumi mar piny medo dok piny. Gikwayo kweth mar Azimio mondo we ng'anyo omanyo machielo mar chwalo ng'ur margi.
Honestly speaking, the cost of living is so high to the Kenyan people. It is so high, which is giving a platform to the Azimio and the opposition to call us to the streets. Because honestly speaking, the cost of living is so high. We haven't heard that this is what the government is doing to reduce the cost of living down, or we haven't heard like a goal that by this month, whichever month, we expect this to be down or that to be down. Those practical things that can give us hope or inspire the hope of the Kenyans, we are yet to hear that. It doesn't help when you keep blaming the problems of today on other people. We have had too much of the blame on the former president.
When you are intimate with God, things like love come automatically. Things like corruption will never be a thing in a country like ours. Na tungeuliza viongozi wote wakuje pamoja and dialogue and talk with one another, kwa sababu mazungumzo wakizungumza tunaweza kupata suluhisho kwa ile mashida tuko nayo nchini. Yes, tunajua kwamba tuko na mashida ya uchumi, lakini mimi nikifikiria na nikiona viongozi wote wakishikana pamoja, wajue mashida ile iko na wananchi, maneno iko kwa nchi hii inaweza kuisha.